John says you optimize, or you talk about optimizing for page structure using brand plus service plus region for the homepage, but your felling.pro homepage only includes links to supporting locations. Is this a new strategy for multi-location businesses? Yeah, because remember, this is not the homepage of any one of the sites that I want to rank. This is the homepage of the root domain. The homepage of the sites that I want to rank are the homepages of the subdomain sites. And these are optimized for the county as I teach. You understand? Like this one is optimized for Chester County, Pennsylvania, hence the name Chester felling.pro. The 5 location pages are locations that are contained within Chester County. Okay. Williamson felling.pro. This is the newest site that I built. It's for Williamson County, Texas, hence the name Williamson felling.pro. These 5 locations are cities or towns or census designated places or unincorporated communities, etc., that are within Williamson County, Texas. Does that make sense? The homepage of this is nothing other than a directory page. It is a page that just helps direct a visitor to whichever site is most relevant to them. That's all this is. I used to have a full WordPress site on this domain, and I just took it down like 2 weeks ago and just put this landing page up, and that's it. Okay. Which, by the way, can't we build links to this? Topically relevant links? Yeah, of course you can. And it's going to distribute to all the subdomains. So this is a great link building target. As I add more sites, which, by the way, I got somebody in training right now, finally, to start building these sites. So within probably 2 weeks, it might be more because I have selfish reasons. First, I'm once she's fully proficient at doing these on her own, she's gonna. I've got a number of sites I want her to build for me. As soon as those are done, we're going to make that available as a done for you service. LOG sites, just like these. Okay. Deployed in your high level account. And if you need a high level account, we can provide those too. So, moving on.